Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create a team in Dice Dreams. To create a team in Dice Dreams, first of all, open up the Dice Dreams application on your device and from the main menu, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left. Now, click on the Teams option at the bottom. Inside Teams, tap on Create at the top and now enter your team's description in the respective text boxes. Type in your team's name in the first box, write down a description for your team if desired, select team type between public to private, select the number of required crowns to join into your team, and finally click on the green Create button. In order to create a team, you need to spend 480k coins. If you don't have enough coins, you won't be able to create the team. Once creating a team, you can start inviting friends or accepting members who can join into your teams. By creating a team, your team will be able to often participate in events and offer rewards to members. So that's how you easily create a team in Dice Dreams. Just make sure that you have enough coins so that you can run your own team and invite team members to it. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials from Dice Dreams. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.